Hello everybody, my name is James Ryan and I'm here to make a game. Hopefully by the end of this we'll have a fully functioning, nice, fun game. Little or big, who knows. I don't know much about Unity graphical user interfaces, but I do remember reading about them once and how to make them, and I tested it out a bit. Now I don't really remember, so I might pause the video every so often to look at references. To look at script references. Should probably get them loaded now, but it's fine. So, first thing, I should open the project. Yes, like the Dropbox Unity project. You know, yeah. It's still there, right? Shit. No, it's working fine. Great. So while that's loading... No, I don't want it in an Explorer. Hang on guys, I'll be right back. Oh man. And hi guys, I'm back, and you know how long I've been away from the computer since I last paused? Yeah, no, this is the first video. We're only 1 minute in, and I've been away for a few hours now. An hour or two. A long time. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm ready to start this video. I've been away from the computer for so long. I might just want to watch some videos. But no. We need to start this. So let's talk about what type of game I'm trying to make. Well, I'm not going to make a Santa game. I'm not going to make a Christmas themed game just yet. That'll be another time. Maybe even another program. Probably. Make it in Flash actually. But for the moment, I'm going to make this type of, well basically the gist is, it's like an obstacle course. And you're like this guy with super strong legs and you just like, you jump. And when you jump, you go straight. And you go straight, like you're not affected by gravity. You're just gonna go straight to the other wall or roof or whatever, and then from there you can jump as well. So you're kind of like one of those hunters from Left 4 Dead, similar to Dishonored. I know it's a new game, but I didn't take the idea from there. I had it earlier, and I'm not sure how free I want the jumping to be. Can I jump anywhere? Can I jump anywhere? Will it definitely go in a straight line, or do I want to add some type of gravity, like the hunter is affected by, or do I want to go in a straight line, like in Dishonored? We'll see, but for the moment, we have to actually get stuff started, so I don't think I'm in the right project, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Dropbox. I'm going to go into the game folder? No, it's my old Photon game that didn't work out due to unrealistic physics or something. 3D printing, that wasn't it, that was yesterday's, that I probably still haven't uploaded. I haven't uploaded it, no. Oh, looks like I'll be making oh wait, never mind, here it is, Unity project. Am I in here? I guess so. Alright, I guess I'm in the project. So, first thing I'm going to want to do is create a nice cube. And for whatever reason, Unity will not spawn it at 0, 0, 0. Spawn it at some weird random location. I'm not sure why. That's one of the most... That's really the annoying thing. That's really the only really annoying thing I've noticed about Unity. From that placing that first object gets much simpler from then on. So it's placed at 1, 1. I'm going to take a look at a better perspective using the middle mouse button to move on its own. I really like the oh nice. The thing I don't like about Unity is that you have to be in the perspective view. No, you have to be in the isometric. Which view is it? Oh no, the perspective view is weird, because when you're in perspective view, you look around like this, and well, that's great, and then you can move WASD. Oh, that's why it's like that. I got it. So if I want to take a look at things the way I want to take a look at them, I'm going to need to switch to the isometric view. which lets me pan around like this. Though I am going to want to center this object. It still pans around that same place. I don't know why. I don't know where it's panning around. There seems to be something in between my camera. Doesn't matter. This is the camera. It's currently pointing directly ahead. So I'm going to this cube is going to be our plane. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend it a lot. It extends with a cofactor of its original length. So if I do this, it'll be quite slow, but now it'll be like 4 times as fast, and now it'll be 13 times as fast as the original. That's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Good. Let's go back into perspective. Let's go back to isometric. Alright, just a sec, guys. I've got to get my thoughts clear. Alright, guys, so what we're going to need now is some type of object that has character controller. Now, this object, we don't really need it to actually look like anything, and if we do have something that looks... What we're going to need is just a void object. We're going to create an empty game object. And I don't even know where it is. Oh, I do, actually. That little cube is him. We don't need to scale this. It's made of nothing. But we're going to put him in the very center. Then we're going to lift him up a little bit. And we're going to... Well, let's just take a look at what our cube has here. The only difference, apart from nothing, it does have a mesh renderer. It does have a box collider. It does have a cube mesh filter. Okay, maybe our empty game object is a bit too empty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create one of these capsules. Because a capsule is the exact same shape as a game object. Now, even as a capsule collider. And I'm going to place him right bang in the center. I mean, he's got the same shape as a character controller. And then I'm going to put him one above the ground. If I look from the right view, not sure how to get wireframe. That's not enough. I have to put him 2 up, and then he's a reasonable amount. And now, what I'm gonna add a component called a character controller. No, yeah, I'm gonna add the character controller component, which is in the physics. Next to now, there are 2 main types of things. I'm going to use a character controller. If I wanted more realistic physics, I could use a rigid body, but that would be hard to control as a character. So, character controller it is. Now, a capsule collider is already added. Do you want to replace it? Yes, I do. So now I have this character controller. And so if I run the game, I should not be able to control the character because I haven't added any code. See, you thought I was going to be able to control it, but I wasn't. Perhaps you already know about this. Doesn't matter. So now we're going to need to get into some scripting. So we're going to create a new JavaScript. There are 3 types of scripts you can use. In Unity, you can use a JavaScript, C# script, or a Boo script. And Boo is a dialect of Python, which I guess means it's kind of similar, but there's a few things different. JavaScript's the easiest. It's also the only one I'm really familiar with. So I'm going to go with that. I'm going to call this script simple move for the moment. Eventually I'm going to rename this to something like character, because I'm not really a fan of multiple scripts for different objects, although it might be. If I need to make modulus types of scripts, I might do that as well, and then I can apply them to different objects to create different things. But